welcome back to our channel, the Jamaican Canadian Family Channel. My name is O'Neill. Today guys, it's the weekend and I am feeling for some Jamaican stew peas. Now I went to the store guys and I get myself my nice pigtail. See my pigtail here guys? I'm going to throw it out. And you guys know, as always, when I'm cooking, I just love to show you guys from start to finish. So I'm doing this from overnight guys. See how them pigtail are nice guys, not too fat, just lean and nice. Yeah, so we like it. I'm going to put this in some water, and the peas that I'm using is dark red kidney bean, so I love to use this one. If you decide to try it, you can use whichever peas you like. So I'm going to put the peas and the pigtail in one big pot. Me a cook guys, eat all day, man work hard, man for eat. Yes, so that's it guys. It is going to stay for overnight. I'm going to put garlic in there, salt soon come out guys. These soon ready. Okay guys, these are all my seasoning that I'll be putting in my stew peas. I have my onion here, my red onion. I have my bell peppers, the red, the green, and the yellow. I have my garlic, and I have my scallion and my thyme. If you notice when I'm cooking guys, I use a lot of seasoning, ground seasoning. I like using a lot of ground seasoning because one, it put a lot of flavor to your food, and two, they have in a lot of benefit. So when you mix them together, when you mix the bell peppers, the onion, the scallion, the garlic, each one of them have their different benefit. So when you put them all together, you get a little of this and a little of that. The benefit in them, they are good. That's why I use them like these. You want to see a trick? Look at this. Pretty cool, huh? Okay guys, this is my coconut. This is my grater, and I am going to grate it like this. Yes, spend some time. Okay guys, this is it. My coconut is all finished grater, and I'm going to pour some warm water on this. After you pour the warm water on it and you add the lemon, it just cut the milk. Yes, it extract the milk from the coconut, let it get that rich look. Yes. Okay guys, my peas is all done and my pigtail is all done. As I said before, I boil them separate because of the salt in the pigtail. So I'm going to transfer my pigtail into my peas, and I'm going to take out just a little of this water. This is too much water because I have to add my coconut milk. Good. transfer it here. And it is raining outside today, guys. It's a very rainy day here today. Stir this up. Good. And this is the reason why I like to use the dark red peas, guys, is because it gives the stew peas a nice color. I like this color when I'm cooking stew peas. Good. This is my coconut milk. Nice rich coconut milk. I don't put a lot because I don't want it to change the color. If you use a lot of coconut milk, it is going to give the stew peas a white look. Nothing is wrong, but I like the dark red look. Good. Stir it up. Yeah. Apologize for the mess on the stove. Just let the coconut milk boil for a little bit. Yes. Clean up my stove here. It's always good meanwhile you're cooking, you're cleaning up. That's when you finish, you don't have the excess things to wash. Good. See, I love this color, guys. So let it boil a bit before I add my ground seasonings. This is my flour. I'm just going to make some spinners. Yes, sir. Stew peas and a stew peas without spinners. You guys know that already. And my little daughter, she loved these. These are all my ground seasoning, guys. Season up the pot. I'm using all of these and just let it simmer down. Yeah, man. Spice up the thing, you know. Stir him up. All of the seasoning. And all you're gonna let this do, guys, you're gonna let it just dry down and get that thickness. There's things that you can use to get the thickness to boil and just get the thickness of its own. Last thing, a little bit of pepper. Don't burst it, just let it stay right there. Good. So you'll see how it come out in a bit. Now over here, guys, this is my water for my white rice. Stew peas go very well with white rice. My Jamaican stew peas and white rice, it is all done. This is my presentation. This is how it is looking. Everything comes out perfect, guys. And for those of you who don't know, stew peas eat with white rice. Very nice. For those of you who haven't tried this meal, try this meal. You won't be disappointed. But until next time, guys, thank you for hanging out with me. Thank you for watching my videos. I have more nice recipe for you guys. See you guys in the next video. Walk good, my friends.